Hello beautiful ladies, so it's your girl Emma. I'm back with another DIY avocado banana hair mask. So before we continue, subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is how I put the avocado and banana hair mask on my hair, my falsy high porosity hair. I like to do it in sections. I like to do the finger detangling thing. I don't want to cut my hair right now. I don't want it to break off. So I start my hair always wet before I do this. I do it after washing, conditioning. This is always my last process. After this, I seal the moisture. So this is how I put it. Avocados have got lots of vitamins, vitamin B, E, which are so good for your hair. There's natural oils good for the hair. The bananas have potassium. Yeah, I mix this, I blend it. I'm going to make a video soon on how I do all of these things into my hair, how I make the deep conditioner. I keep working it out, and then I kind of try twisting it, work everything in. I make sure every single strand is coated. I try to concentrate it on my tips ends. Yeah, they dry a lot, so I twist my hair. You see, I go on and do my thing. Starting with the ends, they're very dry. They're the oldest, so they need more moisture. I slick it down until I feel that everything is smooth. I think you can see some curls. They're starting to pop. If you deep condition and you don't get the curls, something is wrong somewhere. That's my kinky hair. Wow. Oh, my nails are breaking. I take out the strands which have knots. Take them down. Finger detangle. Can you see that? It looks so good. I twist it up. Oh. Don't mind my sister. I make sure I get everything done. Some to the ends. I don't want them to get dry. I want more moisture. I'm going to link some videos of how I've grown my hair. It's kind of 1 year old now with onion juice. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. You can check it out. If you're here, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me see, have you tried this mask? You can see that's how my hair looks after completely covering my head with mask. Can you see the curls? Wow, so good. So I'm going to put on that shower cap. After 20 minutes I'll be right back. So this is my hair after 30 minutes. I let it stay for 30 minutes. Now I want to go and rinse it out. I'll be right back. So this is my hair after rinsing it out. It's dripping wet, so you can see the curls. I don't have any leftovers of the banana and avocados. My hair is clean, it's moisturized, it feels nice. So I like this mask, and I will keep on trying it and using it so that my hair can feel and be more better. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I also have other videos. I'm going to link them down in the description box below, so check them out. Bye guys, see you on my next videos.